What is going on, everybody? Show Off 3x4 here, finally bringing you another vlog. Today is going to be focused on Dream Body Camaro right there. Hello, beautiful. Anyway, today, first thing I am doing is I'm learning how to drive Marty's semi for him, not for him, and on October it's harvest season and they need help driving. So to make some extra cash and to help them out a lot, I'm going to gonna help them haul beets or haul whatever. I don't even know what it is. I'm not a farmer. To haul whatever it is they need me to haul for them. But first I gotta learn how to drive the stick semi. I know how to drive a stick-shift car like very well, but a semi, for those who don't know, is different. I mean, it's still good knowing the concept of a stick car, but it's totally different than a stick car. So I'm gonna go figure that out, because I have done it once, but it just wasn't very well. So I'm going to learn on an easier semi this time, and then after that, we're going to take a look at Marty's square body. So I'll see you guys there. I'm heading there right now. Okay, boys, like I said, driving a semi. Here it is, boys. Marty! And Rye! Here you go, guy.
Did you put it in first or reverse? First. Alright, let's just double check it.
I gotta get my foot. The pedal's got a delay on it. It's more than I'm used to right now.
I'm getting yours good real quick. Yeah. Give her the monsters. Give her the onion.
You want the bump?
Yep. Screw this bump, dude.
Dude, you're in a truck bigger.
Here I can, dude. Woo! Good point.
Yeah, you didn't even feel a bump.
Woo!
Woo!
I got that low one.
Onion. Alright, here we go. Now we're climbing. We're cooking now. 35 mile an hour.
Onion has been cut, boys.
Full send. Rides like a caddy.
About as big as your caddy.
No, not quite that big.
See if the vlog can catch that. I don't think they can catch that. I'll help. See, my truck's exhaust is literally, yeah, right there. You can hear that cocksucker.
Cause it's got no sleeper on it.
No, it's got a sleeper on it. The exhaust
Oh.
is just next to it. Hey guys, you can't see it, but this is Mitchell. So he's got a YouTube account of his own. This account's been mentioned a couple of times, but this is his big old truck. We're gonna show you a little boosted launch here. I mean, I'm thrown back right in the seat, dude. Wow.
We're up to 50.
Wow, that's a good 0 to 50 there. Alright guys, sign it off.
Likes and subscribe.
Like and subscribe Farmable. If you like anything farm equipment related or want to learn more about farming.
You want a video once every 2 months?
Yeah, but it's fine because they're worth it every time.
It's so worth it.
And you'll learn a lot about farming that you maybe didn't know before.
Do I feel like...
Alright guys, we're going to do a 0 to 60. Go!
Still going. Right there.
Right there!
Okay, so last video I showed you guys of the square body. Like he was just saying to me, we just did the that was the lift kit and that was it. We were putting these in. But now
That was not fun.
no, that was not fun. But now, as you can clearly tell, the motor and trans are here, and God does it look beautiful. 454, brand new, like all rebuilt.
All new parts, all aluminum parts, dude.
All aluminum.
It's the only original part.
That looks so good.
Get my intake, I'm quite proud of it.
You just got this in a couple days ago, right?
Yeah. Put the alternator on today. Put the power steering pump on today.
She's all dressed up, ready to go almost.
Almost, dude.
How's the paint coming?
I still haven't been asked what color it is, so not good.
Really?
Yeah. I don't know. The guy said 1st of November, so that's...
Oh, like was when he's gonna start?
It's when we need to know the paint color by.
Oh, okay.
So, still gotta get the radiator. I decided to change the front end oil because...
Oh, yeah.
And I forgot to get a gasket for it.
What trans is it? 700 R4?
No, TH400.
TH400?
Yeah. 3 inches longer. Had to drill new holes in the frame.
Fun.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Got the adapter. Advanced adapters, dude. That was the handiest thing. Normally you have to get all new parts for the
T-case?
the T case. Because
For it to fit?
yeah, because the 400s are a 32 spline and 350s are only 27 spline. That was a lifesaver because it was gonna be like $2 grand, $800 something like that.
Good grief. Yeah, I mean, shoot, your power plant's pretty much done. Yeah.
Turns out this fuel pump doesn't have a return, so I wasted time and money getting the 3-way, so I just put a hose connecting them.
Oh, okay.
And then this one's still the breather. I need to get a T. I'm gonna connect them, put a T in, and then put a breather off of it.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where it's in that box right there. Rear end. I don't know if that was done when you were here. It's got the locker in it.
Is the cover on it?
Yeah, the cover's on. I'm pretty sure the cover wasn't on when you were here because I just put it on not that long ago. But that drive shaft works. The front drive shaft is too short because the T-case is further back and we lifted it 4 inches.
Oh, yeah.
So the front drive shaft won't work. But the back drive shaft, because we lifted it and the transmission's further back, works the exact same. The bracketing we just got this week for the power steering pump. Everyone will tell you that it just bolts on. Just bolts onto a big block from a small block. It doesn't. It's different brackets. They're only $20, but you're a little frustrated because you went to bolt it on.
Yeah.
And you didn't have
Not direct.
But yeah.
Don't see these on this channel every day.
This channel every day.
Or at.
I was gonna say, when was the last time you looked at a carb?
Your Cutlass. Actually, no, Justin's cars probably. Your Cutlass is the only other one. Ooh, baby.
Yeah, Quick Fuel is supposed to be a pretty good brand, I guess. I don't really know. Okay, so my dad talks about back in the day, the cool thing to put on was a Holly double pumper.
I remember you telling me about this.
Yep. So we actually have no idea what a double pumper means, but I'm guessing because it has fuel going in at 2 sides.
Mm-hmm.
Is that a double pumper maybe?
Let us know. I guess let us know if you know. I don't know either.
I'm not trying to sound stupid. I just
don't know.
I don't know. I work on diesel stuff. I don't know what a carb is really. Like, could I tear this apart? Yeah. Could I put it back together? No. All I've been told is not to get an Edelbrock. And
Really?
they're hard to tune.
Oh.
Like,
It's not that they're junk. They're just
hard to tune.
Mm-hmm.
Even like mastered. The guy that helped us build this motor, like rebuilt, did all the machine work and whatnot.
Mm-hmm.
He's been working on this crap his whole life, and he still can't get an Edelbrock to tune good.
Jeez.
I don't know. That video's not very good quality that I sent you, but we got it running.
Oh yeah. I think I should still have it because it'll be in our text or whatever.
Yeah. we got Flowtech 290 heads on this, and then I bought Flowtech ceramic headers to bolt up to it. Supposedly ceramic's supposed to be better.
That's what I've heard.
I think it's better for sound and, well, for one they'll never rust. That's a plus because, oh dude, should we get the whole 350 in there? So
That's
now
right.
we're getting a pretty good collection of old motors because we got a 350. That's not for sale because you never know when you need a 350. Dude, you know what you
Damn
can put
right.
this in? Just about anything.
Yep.
You just throw it in there. Dude. All you need is a battery and water and gas. Like it's that easy. And then this is actually for sale. Anyone on the channel in the area wants a 427.
Or you can come pick it up. We're just not going to ship it.
Yeah, we're definitely not shipping it. We maybe deliver it if you paid us enough.
True. Road trip?
Road trip. It's actually freshly rebuilt. It's a tall deck 427, freshly rebuilt. Brand new crank in it. I forget what was wrong with the old one. If it was just couldn't be ground any further or what, but it's got a brand new crank in it.
Well, there you have it. Another square body update. Power plant's pretty much done. Well, I mean, it's pretty much done.
Everything's done but the wheels.
Yeah.
I mean, I can't wait. Zach, if you're not here for the startup of this thing,
Oh,
dude, you might have to take off a day of work.
True.
But you have to be here because this
True.
is going to be like, the proudest day of my life. Dude. Am I going to have kids one day? Probably. I'm going to be less proud? Probably. Kids can be disappointing. Trucks can't.
True that.